The National Dutch Railway Company, or NS as it's commonly known, is a major sponsor of one of the most spectacular nautical events in the world, Sail Amsterdam. Every 5 years, 2.5 million visitors from all over the world come to see the world's finest tall ships. How could a railway company stand out amongst all those ships? To find out, NS met with the experts in 3D communication, Cubic and Maps Originals. The plan they came up with was simple, but also a daring feat of logistics and engineering. A sailing train, not just a mock-up or replica, but a real 70,000 kilogram intercity train was about to sail the waters in and around Amsterdam during Sail 2005. In cooperation with the Delft Technical University, calculations were made and parameters were set. The team of Cubic searched for a suitable ship to carry the heavy load. A former passenger ferry was purchased, which had to be stripped to the bone in order to install a special support construction to facilitate the train. The other element, a regular double-decker intercity train, had to be equipped with a second front end in order to accommodate the captain's control compartment. In the Amsterdam harbour, the two elements were combined and two 60-ton cranes were needed to lift the railway carriage on board the ferry. Now it was time for the final test. The sail train had to be approved by the National Maritime Inspection. 3 weeks before the event, it was proven safe, and NS was officially permitted to carry passengers aboard the sail train. And Cubic made it happen. The sail train experience included an exciting press launch in the historic centre of Amsterdam, specially constructed temporary sail stations, and a promotion tour across Holland. The sail train project paid off for NS. The public and the media loved the sail train. It was the most photographed, filmed and talked about vessel during Sail Amsterdam 2005. With the help of Cubic, NS succeeded in its mission.